Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be getting rid of some expired credit cards. I blacked out the numbers for obvious reasons. But these should be a lot of fun in the microwave. Right, I'm going to put them in like so. Oh, there's still glass in there from the light bulb. Put one up, one down, see if that makes a difference. I saw an AARP car getting microwaved by Kenny Irwin, aka dOvetastic, so I'm hoping that this will also turn out to be something that's similarly just as cool. Wow, nothing's happening. It is lit up like a Christmas tree. Must be something different about those AARP cards, but I'll give it the full 2 minutes. Think I'm gonna edit that out. Okay, I tried microwaving them just flat. Now I'm gonna try 2 minutes this way, and let's get microwaving. And this now should be a bundle of fun. There's the cards, you can plainly see the cards, but they're not lighting up. It's almost done. I'll just let the whole 2 minutes run down. Watch, you'll start flaming up right at the end. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy days. One of the most boring things I ever microwaved is done. Well, is there a point to this episode? No. Is there a point to microwaving these? No. When I saw dOvetastic, Kenny Irwin microwave his AARP card, that thing lit up like a fucking Christmas tree. This, I was tempted to just say, screw this, I'm out of here. These piece of shit cards did nothing. Must be a difference in the AARP cards and the credit cards, so I guess I'll have to destroy them the old-fashioned way. Oop, that one got away. So, my final verdict is absolutely stupid, waste of time, boring, sucky, worthless idea. In fact, the only more worthless ideas I've had than this were perhaps the cough drops, the aspirin, and that brick I did. I guess at least you could see these in the microwave. I'm so pissed off about this episode.